Nanny, what happened with the cat?
Hello.
What was Trixie doing? What was Trixie doing, Freddie?
No,
She was eating, wasn't she? What was she eating?
it's very much.
She was eating a mouse, wasn't she? And what do we say when she eats a mouse?
My dear, she's gonna
Tell Nanny all about the mouse.
Money.
No, not Mandy. Say Nanny.
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 Tell her about the mouse. What happened?
Nanny. Got to eat it.
Eating it, wasn't she? And what did we have to say?
Got to eat it.
And what did we tell Trixie to do?
Yes,
Yeah, and we said, out, Trixie. We say, naughty Trixie. Yeah, go outside with the mouse. Outside with the mouse. Tell Nanny, what did we say?
No.
We said no, didn't we? No eating the mouse. No eating the mouse.
No.
Say bye-bye, Nanny. Say bye-bye to Nanny.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Can you blow her kisses? Mwah. Good boy.